Hi everyone, it's Sherrell at Authentically Sherrell, and today's video is going to be a DIY project that I made for my kids' teachers and for my son's sleep pathologist and his occupational therapist. I'm going to be making ornament tag. Here's a sneak peek of what it looks like. Let's go ahead and get started. Majority of these items can be found at the Dollar Tree. You will need craft oval wood shapes, Waverly chalk acrylic paint, Jot black acrylic paint, a foam brush, Modge Podge, twine, a paper towel, a Merry Christmas holly loop bag, a drill, and a drill bit. First, we're going to cut out the Merry Christmas in the red truck from the loop bag. Next, we're going to mix a little of the two colors to form the color gray. Dry brush into your shape. To give it a little dimension, add a little more white or black. Place Mod Podge on the back of the wording and place where desired with the paper towel. Coat some of the same glue on top. Due to the truck being bigger than the shape, cut off the excess and repeat the same steps as you did before. Drill a hole where you would like with the drill bit. Add twine and a little paint to cover any spots missed. So simple and so cute. I looped the tag on a Dollar Tree gift bag. Here's one final shot of how the project turned out. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
Jack Frost nipping